everyone, welcome to today's math lesson. Today we're going to explore something exciting, multiplication. But here's the cool part, we're not just going to think of it as numbers on a page, we're going to see how really multiplication is really about putting together groups of objects. For an example, what if you had three groups of 4 apples? How many apples would that be in total? Well, that's what multiplication helps us figure out. So grab your thinking caps and let's have some fun learning how multiplication is just like adding groups of things together. Ready to begin? Let's get started. Here we have the intro. One way to view multiplication is as groups of objects. For an example, 2 times 3 is equivalent to 2 groups of 3. And you can see in the picture over here, you can see 2 boxes, which stands for the 2, and 2 times 3. Then you can see 3 dots in each box, which equals to the 3 and 2 times 3. So together, it would be 2 times 3, or 2 groups of 3. Now this model, which was the same as the last one, this one shows 2 groups of 3, which is also 2 times 3. We can find the product of 2 times 3 by counting the number of dots in the 2 groups. 2 times 3 equals 6. So let me explain this much more deeper. You can see 2 boxes, which stands for the 2 and 2 times 3. You can see 3 dots in each box, which is equivalent to the 3 and 2 times 3. And then when you count how many dots there are in all of them, or in the 2 groups, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And altogether, there would be 6 dots in 2 times 3. This shows 3 groups of 2, or 3 times 2. You can see there are 3 boxes, which stands for the 3 and 3 times 2. You can see 2 dots in each box, which stands for the 2 and 3 times 2. And then when you count how many dots there are in total, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, there's going to be a 6. So then, in total, 3 times 2 equals to 6. Your turn. The next few questions that I'm about to show you guys will have to solve them yourself. If you guys are having any trouble, don't worry, because I will review the answers when we're done solving them. What is the multiplication problem? You can see there are 3 boxes, and you can see there are 3 dots in each box. And the multiplication sentence for this would be 3 groups of 3. So then what would the multiplication problem be? The answer to this would be 3 times 3, because there are 3 boxes, and there are 3 dots in each box. And then when you count all the dots, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So then, therefore, 3 times 3 is equivalent to 9. Here's the next multiplication problem. You can see 2 dots with 5 dots in each of them. So you can see 2 boxes, or 2 groups, with 5 inside. So when you see of, basically, if you ever see the word of in a multiplication problem, it just means multiplication. You're not going to see of in subtraction, addition, or division, just in multiplication, because of basically means by. So 2 groups by 5, or 2 by 5, which is equivalent to 2 times 5. So the multiplication problem is 2 times 5. And then to solve this, we would have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So then 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. Let's move on to the next problem. 4 groups of 1. You can see there are 4 boxes, but then you can also see there's 1 dot in each box. So 4 boxes, or 4 groups of 1. 4 groups by 1. 4 groups of 1. It's the same thing. So then, if you wanted to solve this, it would be 4 times 1 equals 4. And how we know it's 4? Because there are 4 boxes, and there's 1 dot in each box. So if we count, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times 1 is equivalent to 4. Challenge time! I have a challenge for you guys. You guys are going to draw your own picture showing a multiplication problem as groups of objects. Be sure to include the multiplication problem you are using. So first, you have to find a multiplication problem, which could be anything really. It could be 8 times 2, 3 times 6, 7 times 5. It could be anything. So then you have to find one. First, draw out the box, or you don't have to draw a box. You can draw a circle, you can draw a star, you can draw anything, as long as you can put something inside of it. And then, so let's say we picked 7 times 5. I would make 7 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 boxes. And then I would put 5 dots in each box. Again, it doesn't have to be dots. It can be a square, it can be a semicircle, it can be anything. So, in this case we're going to use boxes and dots. So, 7 boxes with 5 dots inside. And then if we were to solve this, it would be, we have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, and 35. So, therefore, 7 times 5 is equivalent to 35. Anyway, guys, that is what we have for today. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and click the bell to get more videos. Bye. We'll see you on the next episode.